kids here, Yana. Come here, anak. With that. Yana, look. Oh, Yana. There's a pig over there, Yana. Ayan, oh. You can pet the pig. You can hug them. There's goat. Oh. And there's bunny over there. There's a sheep. Hi, sheep! Yana. Hindi naabutan ni Yana. Sarado. Hi, sheep! Hindi niya naabutan. Nagsara na. Be careful, anak. Nagsara na yung petting, zoo. Just touch them here, anak. Yana. Yana, here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Hello. There's lots of bata kanina dyan. Oh, hindi naabutan ni Yana. Nag-work kasi si Mami. Hi. Nag-work si Mami dun sa lunch crafters. Uy. Baby. Yeah. Okay, go there. Hindi niya naabutan na pwede mag-pet. Ala, sarap lechon yan, nak. Hi, baby lechon. Hi, baby lechon. Oh, he's not a baby. Oh, she's a girl pala. Hi. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah. Oh, that's good to know.
Where's the pig?
Wow, looking. You missed it, Yana. Nagsara na kasi. Hindi na niya mapasok. Kanina mga bata nandiyan sa loob. Ba. Tama ba? Kinorek ako ng sheep. Ba. Yana, here. She's looking for you, Yana. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. You say ba. Dali, matubag siya, nak. Ba. Like that. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, no. Oh. Lalabas sila doon. Touch them. You can touch, but be careful na. Baka makagat ka. Hello. Yeah, they're tired. Hey, yung tae na. May tae.
You wanna touch it?
Dali, touch na. Ano? So? May tae, oh, yeah. I-touch. I-touch. I-apakan mo yung, epot. Yan na. Ba. Nagkalat naman na sila dito. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Natapakan yata natin yung mga epot
They might be
nila.
able to escape here.
Oink, oink. You go like that, anak. Yana, Peppa Pig. Like that. Ganahan siya nagbaboy. That's baby lechon. Uy, ang akong sapatos. Buti na lang walang epot. Ala! Oh, yung tayo. Yana. Let's go. Paano? Hindi mo naabutan kasi pwede kang pumunta sa loob. Oh, yeah. Are you happy? Kanina pa yung gusto pumunta eh.